Welcome back to the channel. A shocking news. A 13-year-old Afghan boy has stunned the world by reaching Delhi from Kabul, hidden inside the landing gear of a passenger plane. The boy secretly slipped into the aircraft in Kabul during the 2-hour flight. He faced freezing temperatures and almost no oxygen, conditions where survival is nearly impossible. Yes, against all odds, he survived. On landing at Delhi airport, security staff were shocked to discover the boy. The, the incident has sent shockwaves through Indian security agencies, raising though questions about airport safety in Kabul and the risk involved. More than just a security scare, this is also a human story. A child risking his life in search of a safe future.